So a common issue we're facing a lot is how to budget properly an SEO campaign. The problem is how to determine the right budget for your SEO services. When trying to come up with the correct amount of any project, we're usually dealing with a lot of uncertainties and information that we just don't have, or sufficient data. This is even more true for SEO project due to the nature of dealing with Google's algorithm, which is private and extremely complicated. Additionally, we're not working in a void, but we have competitors and the market changes. Because of these reasons, the end result of a SEO project is never certain, and we cannot guarantee a positive ROI in all cases. There are two types of mistakes. One is under budgeting and the other is over budgeting. If we over budget, we lose resources. If we under budget, we don't have enough capacity to deal with the competition, with the existing competitions. The reason is that our competitors know and already spend enough budget. If our competitors, for example, are spending $15,000 a month for SEO and we are only spending $500 a month, we are just spending money and energy. We will never catch up. So in order to calculate a reasonable estimation of SEO project, we need first to understand a few terms. First of all, relevant keyword groups. First, we need to find the relevant keyword groups that we sort into and the keywords themselves that are relevant for our niche. This is a process and should be reevaluated and updated every few months. This should be an opportunity to rank for new keywords and also improve the rankings in existing keywords. Total search volume. After we finalize the relevant keywords, we need to find the average search volume for all those keywords combined. Average CTR, the average click-through rate, the average number of clicks we get from the total search volume of the ranking keywords. Conversion rate will mean the percentage of sales, leads, or calls that are converting from the organic traffic. Average sale price. Average sale is the sum of all sales divided for the number of users that converted, users or customers. ROI, return on investment, would be increase the organic traffic conversion deducting the SEO project. So basically ROI is how much we spent on the SEO project and how much we gained from it. We've built this simple SEO campaign calculator and I'll do a quick demonstration on how we can fill it out correctly. So just for the sake of this example, I'm going to use a keyword called CDN. CDN is Content Delivery Network, and I'm going to use SEMrush to find proper numbers. So CDN, and just for the sake of this example, I'm going to assume that we're selling globally, and this is the correct number, 200,067 searches a month in average. I can use it already in the calculator and put this number. And again, I'm assuming that there are more keywords, and just for now, I'll use this number. We need to sort out the irrelevant keywords and keep only the relevant ones. The average CTR, the click-through rate, is also changing a lot between website and website. And I'll show you here an example, information I get from Google Search Console about a specific domain that has over 10 million impressions, but the average CTR is only 1.1. So I'll use this average CTR and I'll write 1.1. And the average conversion rate also varies a lot between different niches and different websites and different products. Usually for e-commerce, we tend to say that it's somewhere between 1 to 2%. Some websites have even 10% conversion rate, some much less. And again, for this demonstration, I'll use 1.5%. And the average sale price, again, it changes between every product and every website. I'll use $150. From here, we see that the estimated ROI is $6,000. And for example, if we do not add new keywords, but just improve the existing rankings from 1.1 CTR to 2, then we can almost double the estimated ROI.